How to start a jam session on Spotify. Open any web browser on your device, or even you can open your application on mobile. Click on the search bar and type in spotify.com. Press enter on the keyboard to get access to the official page of Spotify. Make sure to sign into your account. So, in order to start a jam session, click on your library at the top left corner of the screen. You can easily create a playlist and open any of those as per your choice to start a jam on Spotify. Click on three dots. Click on three dots next to the pause button, and on this drop-down menu box, you will get the option to start a jam. But currently, there is no such features on my Spotify as this is not available on my region and I don't have the premium feature on Spotify. If you have the premium feature and if the update features is available on your Spotify, you can easily click on Jam and start a jam with your friends and family on Spotify. So that is how we start a jam session on Spotify. Hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech and tips videos. See you in the next video.